Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Busha. First you just need to open your Busha application, then enter your 4-digit passcode. Now from here at the top left corner you'll find your account avatar. Simply tap on it and from here you'll find payment methods. Now from here you can find three type of payment methods that you can use to add on the Busha account. So you can choose according to your choice, like bank accounts, other accounts at Busha Pay. In bank accounts, if you tap on it, like here I don't added any bank account yet, so I can just tap on this plus icon here to add a bank account. So first we just need to select the currency. We can go with the Nigerian currency and the USD dollar, so I can tap on it. Now the personal account or the business account, you can select according to your needs. If your account is personal, then go with the personal account, and if it is for purposing for any business, then you can go with business account. Now from here you have to add the recipient, like account number, the IBAN number of your bank, the routing number or the SWIFT code of your bank, or the recipient account name, bank address and recipient address. Make sure you just put all the details that required correctly on these blanks. Then you can just tap on add recipient and it will add your bank account as a payment method. Then you can simply use your bank account as your payment method on Busha. So now let's head to the next step, where other accounts you can tap on plus icon, and here you can add the currency for Nigeria and Kenya. Actually for this payment method USD is not supported, so you can tap on it, and here you can find some online banking application like Ebeg app, Butter, Cheaper Cash. You can go with any of them. Then for example this one, now you have to enter the tag that you have on your Cheaper Cash, then you just need to click on continue, then you have to enter all the credentials that it asks for. After that, the third option is the Busha Pay. If you have any account on Busha Pay, then you can link your Busha Pay with this Busha application. You just need to add pay pin. Now you have to enter the pay pin that you have set as a merchants using this Busha Pay. So you just need to enter that code, so you can add your Busha Pay account with your Busha application. So that's how you can just add a payment method on Busha. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.